I got to tell you, my favorite part of owning a Restoration One is the sense of community that you have amongst all of your peers. My name is Hutch Hillebert. I've owned a Restoration One. I'm on my third unit, but I started in late November of 2022. I was in the military for several years. I was in the Air Force Presidential Honor Guard in Washington, D.C., then a C-5 flight engineer. Then I have a 20-year career in retail where I was in charge of facilities and loss prevention, asset protection. It was through doing my due diligence when I was just talking with the friend dev folks that were asking questions, I was being able to ask questions with them. Ultimately, I believe in the mission, I believe in the values, and the sense of community that you have with Restoration One. There's no competition in Restoration One. We all collaborate, we're all together. If I was to look back, 10 years ago to who the person I am today, it is definitely a different person. It is for the better. There's long days, don't get me wrong, but it's worth it at the end when that customer gives you a hug, and your customer sends your team breakfast for fixing their home and getting them back to a sense of normalcy again. I don't think that you need to have 100% experience in the restoration or the water mitigation world. Someone could be a very successful business person or a very successful worker doing whatever they've done for their career. And still, we have great trainings. There's things that you have to get done before you can open your doors. You need to get your IICRC certifications. I challenge them, right? Hire somebody to do that job that you don't know. And if you hire someone to do that job, it takes you off the truck. It helps you, continue to build your business.